with you a new tutorial, beautiful earrings tutorial video. I hope you would like it. It's a pair of earring, Bicone beaded earrings with multicolor, golden Bicones with multicolor Bicones. These are totally Bicone earrings. I hope you guys like it. First of all, we will pick 5 Bicones, golden Bicones, 4 mm, and here we are tying double knot. We are making double knot to make it secure. After making knot, we will start our earrings making. So we have to pass through one golden Bicone, and now we are adding one Bicone 3 mm plus one seed bead 11 plus one Bicone 3 mm. We will add these Bicones, 3 mm Bicones, randomly, no specific color. We will add these different multicolor Bicones randomly. So we have to make a beaded bead like beaded part, which is our earrings lower part. We have to add different colors Bicones to our golden beads, and from one side, when we complete the same process, we will do on the other side, and we will complete in this way both sides. Around golden beads we have to add different multicolor Bicone 3 mm beads. Now we are adding one head pin. We insert it in this beaded bead, and now we are making a loop here with the help of nose plier. In this way we have made a loop. We will hang this beaded bead later on. Now we will proceed to next step. Here we have picked 1 4 mm Bicone golden with 1 3 mm Bicone, then 1 seed bead 11, then again 1 3 mm Bicone, and then 2 golden Bicones. After adding these beads, we tied double knot. We made double knot. Now we picked 3 more golden Bicones with 2 Bicones 3 mm, and now we pass through the center seed bead and we add it. Now we are adding 3 more golden Bicones, and we are passing through multi-shaded Bicone beads which we added in the beginning. Now we pass through these 3 mm multi-shaded multicolor beads, and now we are adding 3 more golden Bicones 4 mm, passing through Bicones, color Bicones 3 mm. In this way we have added 4 times 3 3 3 and 3 4 mm Bicones. Now a square beaded part is ready. Now we will embellish it with more colorful Bicones 3 mm with seed beads. So we have added 1 3 mm Bicone with 1 seed bead. We skipped seed bead, and now we pass through bicone, and in this way we have added it between golden bicones 4 mm. Now we have picked one bicone 3 mm, one seed bead, one bicone, one seed bead, and now we added here, we have added here one our beaded part, our beaded bead, and now again we added the same beads around it as we added in right side, the same we added on left side, and in this way we have attached the beaded bead we made in the beginning. So now we are proceeding further process. To further process, we have to complete embellishment around this earring, which we started in this before this process. We have started, we will complete that embellishment after doing this. So here again we will add one bicone 3 mm with one seed bead 11, clear white seed bead with colorful bicone 3 mm. We are adding it between golden 4 mm bicones. Now we added again one bicone 3 mm with one seed bead 11, and passing through golden bicone 4 mm, and then after doing this we have to add here, we have to attach here our earring wire with the seed beads and bicones. As you can see in the video, one seed bead, one bicone, earring wire, one bicone, and one seed bead 11. Now we are passing through golden bicone 4 mm, and now we have to complete here the embellishment as we did on the other sides. We have to complete here this side in the same way. We add one bicone 3 mm with one seed bead, and now we are adding it, passing through golden bicones 4 mm. It is added. Our earring is almost complete. We have to now make some knots, finishing knots 2 or 3 times. We will make on different points, we will make knots passing through golden bicones. We pull the thread to make it secure. Now after making this knot, we will again make a knot here passing through golden bead, golden bicone. We are again here we are again making a knot. So in this way we made finishing knots. Now trim the extra thread and fine it with lighter flame. So an elegant pair of earrings is in my hands. You can look at these elegant earrings. These are totally Bicone beaded earrings with different color combinations. I hope you would like it. So don't forget to watch full video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share my video. It's your own channel, EasySaminJewelery. So don't forget to watch, so don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. It's your own channel. I hope you would like today's project. Now I will say bye. Take care. Lots of love. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.